Guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So happy that you guys could join me today for another wig review. This is a curly lace frontal bob. Yeah, it's like a bob. From the packaging, I thought it was gonna be like a short pixie cut, but it actually ended up being a little bit longer. It's more like a little curly fro. This wig is definitely giving me all day natural girl hair vibes. Like, seriously. The texture, the curl pattern, like, let me just do a quick turnaround. This wig is so cute. I feel like if you are a natural girl, you have went through this transition of your hair being like a little fro or whatever. Let me see if you guys can really see the curl pattern on this wig. And I don't want to play with it too much because it may get a little fuzzy. The only drawback with this wig is I wish the lace was transparent. I just feel like with these curly wigs that is this short and you're going for a particular look, I think it's so important to select a transparent lace, and I think it's so important for companies to offer a transparent lace with these type of wigs, because I honestly don't feel like you get the complete 100% natural look if you have the natural hairstyle but your lace is so clockable. Like, you can tell you have on a wig, or at least get your lace to blend in with your skin as much as possible, because that's going to help with like fooling everybody. That's the main key of faking it till you make it, girl. Saying, you know, hey, this is my real hair, you like my curl texture, it is popping, it is cute. Of course, I am loving the curl pattern. So pretty. As you guys saw when I was defining the curls was like literally turning into these very medium-sized ringlet curls. Just fabulous. Yeah, I'm definitely going through a phase right now where I just prefer short curly looks. Like, my husband says it definitely puts me in mommy mode. Like, I need to walk away. I need to walk away from the short curly styles, because for him, that ain't it. Okay? For him, this ain't it. But for me, I love it. It's just such a quick, easy style, and it just, I don't know, it brings out the naturalness in me. It makes me want to go, you know, completely natural, bare face and all. It just puts a vibe on me. So that's why I'm in love with these type of textures right now. And of course, like, honestly, being a mom right now in the middle of a pandemic where I'm pretty much a stay-at-home mom, this just keeps my confidence up. I'm just not even gonna lie. Like, putting on a wig that I don't have to do anything to, I can just wet the hair, or maybe not even wet the hair, just depending on how well I define the curls, but just putting on a wig that simply takes me from Felicia from Next Friday to Diamond. Okay, so that's why I do like these type of wigs compared to, you know, like the other wigs where I have to do a little bit more styling and manipulating. So yeah, I mean, I really don't have anything to say about this wig. I mean, it's a short curly wig, so it's kind of like a preference thing. If you like short curly hair, then girl, this is the wig for you. So I will have everything that you need to know about this wig. Why do I keep clapping? I don't know. Maybe because so everything that you need to know about this wig will be below in the description bar. Make sure you check out that description bar. So you know exactly the details on this wig. I'll also have the purchasing link below so that you guys, okay, my phone went out. So I'll also make sure I have the direct purchasing link below as well, so you can purchase exactly this wig. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. For my natural girls, this will definitely be one of your go-to wigs and your go-to looks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye. Mwah.